Please like and subscribe for more tutorial for beginners. New videos every day.
Hi, in this lecture we'll start customizing the theme that we have added to our store. Click on Customize. Here you will see some sections, and we'll start with the slideshow. If you want, you can add more than one slide, but here one slide. Select image, upload an image that I have already downloaded from a copyright-free website, for example Unsplash, and compressed with the website TinyPNG and renamed for SEO purposes. I used this image. Here you have a heading for promotions. For example, you can say gifts under $100, and subheading to add words explaining this offer, but I will remove them. You can use them if you want. And here you have seconds between two slides. If you have two slides, go ahead and click Save to changes that you have entered. Now the next thing is header. Go to header, select image for the logo you have prepared for your store. I have prepared one logo. It's not the best in the world, but I think it's somehow cool. Select. It's in white color. So the next thing is show announcement bar. In this announcement bar you can announce anything, any offers, any promotions. For example, we will say free shipping over $30. You can even add a link to this announcement. For example, link this announcement to your products, to a specific collection, to anything in your store. So we will change the color. Let's choose this one to see how it looks. It doesn't look quite good. I think this one is good. So click on save. So the next thing is custom HTML. We use HTML code to generate text, sentence, anything you would like to write in this section. For me, I use Blogger, for example, to write any text in Compose. When I compose a blog post, I write any sentence, for example, cute baby deserves cute stuff. Then go ahead to the HTML section, copy the whole code, then go to this section and paste this code, and voila, the sentence that I wanted is shown here. Go ahead and click on save. The next thing is featured collection. We'll get back to this section after we add products and collections to the store. Newsletter. Email list is a very important element to any online store, and you need to collect your customers' email. But instead, I will use another form to collect email list. For example, Previ's form, MailChimp form. It looks more professional. So I'll go ahead and remove this form. That's it for this lecture. We will continue customizing the theme next lecture. Hi, we will continue customizing our theme. Let's go to the section image with text. Select any image and go ahead and add some text about this image, which at last talks about your store. For example, heading Spookies, our store's name. Then write anything about it. For example, carefully chosen stuff for your beloved little one. And you can add a label, button label to this image. You can link it to a blog post or product or collection or whatever. So go ahead and click save. Changes saved. So the next one is, if you would like to reorder the home page, you can simply just click to drag the element that you want to reorder and simply drop. That's it. It's reordered as you like. Go ahead and click save. Another thing, this little icon is called favicon. We would like to add a favicon to our store. We go to theme settings and then to favicon, select an image. For example, this little icon. So when anyone opens our store, sees this icon at the top. That's it. Go ahead and click save. Another thing is cart page setting. Cart type drawer. I'd rather using page. It works on all types of mobiles. So go ahead and click save. So that's it for customizing our theme. See you next lecture. Hello there. In this lecture we'll talk about the last theme settings. The first one is colors. Let's keep them as they are. We don't want to mess with the colors or typography. So cart page, cart type page, it's okay. So social media, you can add your Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest accounts to this section. Favicon, it is the little icon, it's already here. And checkout page, keep it as it is, or if you want you can add your logo to the logo of checkout. These are the last theme settings we want to go through. That's it for this lecture. See you in the next one.